Hi, I'm Tony Anza, your Chicagoland and Northwest Indiana real estate agent. Today I'm excited to bring you my latest listing here in Beecher, Illinois, 1880 Stonington Avenue. Features of this great home include space. This home has tons of space. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2311 square feet on the main living and upper level, with 870 square feet in the unfinished basement. And the unfinished basement is framed out so that you could add for another bedroom, maybe a 5th bedroom or a bathroom. So the framework is in place. The main level includes a fireplace. We are right down the street from the neighborhood park, which is, I can see it from the front window, which is about a 3-minute walk max. Behind the house has a farm field, so it's very spacious. We're in Nantucket Cove subdivision. We have a 3-car garage. It's an open concept house, and we're on the north side of the town of Beecher, which is great for commuters. Now we're gonna head inside. As we walk in the front door, you see I got the nice staircase that goes to the second level where it's got the overlook into this first area. Here we have multi-purpose space, nice living room, family room arrangement, dining area. Again, check out the views everywhere around this house. You just got awesome views all around. We're gonna head over to the kitchen next here. So we got lots of counter space, a center island. Again, tons of cabinet space. These views just are everywhere around the house. We got a pantry right there. Living room here, you see, has got a nice fireplace. As we walk towards the garage, we got a nice half bath here. And then as you cross the threshold, we're getting to a utility room. So we got the washer dryer here, storage space here, nice mudroom area where you can hang up take off your shoes, hang up your coats. And then we're going to this 3-car garage. So it's pretty spacious here, as you see. We got the garage doors open. You can see this is a great space. You can easily fit 3 cars or 2 cars, and then you got a workspace over here. If you're having a party, this is a great spot too, because you can just hang out here. That garage door goes straight to the backyard, so you got easy outdoor access. You could have a gathering in here, and your straight access to the house is right here. All right, we're gonna head upstairs. So again, this is where you walk in. Here's a pan view of the front entrance. We're gonna head upstairs and check out the master bedroom first. So the master bedroom, you can see how spacious this is. And again, the views are just permeate everywhere here. So we're gonna look out the window. You see the park over there. Again, we even got this open parcel here to the north. You got this spacious master bedroom. Walk-in closet here. Check out this walk-in closet. Goes way back there. Got the full shower, more storage space here. I like this. I love that skylight. It brings in so much natural light. We got double vanity sink here, and then the bathroom. All right, as we walk over, we're gonna check out the other 3 bedrooms. No, we're not. We're gonna check out this bathroom first. So nice and spacious. You got area for 2 people to get ready. You got a nice full shower, toilet. Over there I like a lot. We got so much natural light in this house. They got skylights in here. And again, even in this open area, you just see how much natural light's coming in. We're gonna check out another one of the bedrooms, which they use as a sewing/utility room. And again, we're checking out these great views everywhere. Just to the right is another bedroom. There's just so much space to this house. So see another bedroom here. Got lots of closet space. And then we're gonna check out the 4th bedroom, which is right over here. Yeah, we got another ample closet space here. And we're gonna head downstairs to the basement. Now we're in the basement. I'm gonna point out a couple features. So we got a whole house water filter. So we got the cartridge there. And we got the water softener system, and that stays with the house. So we see that the basement is framed out if you wanted to finish it. We got some electrical ran. We got the studs in place. We've got, this would be potential for a fourth bedroom here, or fifth bedroom, because you see we have the emergency escape window is there, so it's already in place. We've got a backup sump pump, which is always a coveted item to have. And we'll tour some mechanicals are here. Got the rest of the basement space here. So you can see there's tons of space down here. I think it was a little over 870 square feet of basement space. So there's tons of storage, or you could finish it out for a bedroom, another living room, or you could do half and half of storage and living space. Check out the backyard. So we're up with the patio doors right off of the kitchen. We're gonna walk out and you can see the nice spacious yard. Again, that's the views are just great here. So we got lots of space to the north. This is looking west. Route 1's a little bit further background that takes you straight through town. So the proximity location is great, especially if you're a commuter going north to the city or in that direction. We're on the north side of town, so you don't have that extra 5 minutes to get through town going to the south. Hey, before we head inside, we gotta check out some of these area amenities. So again, this house is huge on the inside. It's spacious. 4 bedrooms, room for a 5th downstairs with the emergency escape window already in the basement. So I'm walking to this in the front yard here. You can see that right over there is the town park. So that's, you know, that's like a 30-second walk to get over there. It's got a little playground, climbing area, picnic table. The subdivision itself, you'll see that the roads kind of loop around, so it's nice if you want to go for a stroll or for a bike ride. We'll see that the adjacent lot to the north is undeveloped, so you got all this room to on the north side. We got the 3-car garage here. You can see the fireplace, and the backyard is just, it's great. We'll see from the aerial zoom with the drone, you see that there's just a farm field back there, and we got this big spacious fenced-in backyard. All right, that concludes our home tour of 1880 Stonington Avenue in Beecher. If you have any questions, my information's on the screen or in the description. I'd love to just give you a tour of this home, or if you have another agent you're working with and you'd like to submit an offer, I look forward to hearing from you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you around town.